Pchum Festival. Pchum is one of the most important the annual traditional festivals. Cambodian people celebrate this festival from generation to generation and never misses it. It usually falls in late September. It is held from the first day of the waning moon in Pchum month to the last day according to Khmer lunar calendar. The ceremony from the first day to the 14th day is called Kan Ben or Dak Ben, including Ben 1, Ben 2, etc. And the 15th day, last day of the festival, is termed Pchum Ben. The word Pchum means gathering and Ben Pali word means ball of rice. Therefore the word Pchum Ben means gathering or meeting of rice ball, or Bay Ben in Khmer. Khmer people believe that Pchum Ben festival is to offer Bay Ben to dead relatives and ancestors who are not known whether or not they are already released from hell and reborn. Why do people throw rice ball at dawn? People gather at about 4 a.m. and walk around the temple in a procession led by a Buddhist priest. Meanwhile, they say prayers, throw Bay Ben in the direction away from the temple. They believe that evil spirits, or especially those who are no living relatives, are released from hell to come to pagodas to receive food from their relatives at night. They go back to hell before sunrise. These spirits are in the form of such a big, tall body that they can step over the temple. However, they dare not do so due to the fear that they commit more sin. They would stand crying and asking for food. They would visit 7 pagodas to look for their relatives and get food from them. If they can't see them at one of visited Wats, evil spirits will impose curses on their best to offer food, much or less during Dak Ben or Pchum Ben, although they have difficulty making ends meet themselves. Mahasoksan smile.